what's up guys? It's the beginning of the final day and the travel day home. Just checked the flight with British Airways, it's already delayed. Nice. So we're just packing up in the hotel. Then we're going to go over to Epcot. Like I said in the last video, they're doing the 100 years of Disney celebration. And I believe they've got soaring across California as an overlay on soaring. So we're going to try and get on that. Obviously got to head over to the airport about 6 o'clock, half 6, drop the car off, do all that sort of stuff. Yeah, so been a really good trip. What I will do actually while I'm here is give you a quick room tour at the Red Lion Hotel, as we've sort of tidied up in here. And yeah, it's a pretty good hotel, so let's just quickly do that. All right, so you walk in the door, you've got a bathroom on the left hand side, standard amenities, quite big, shower's quite good. Good pressure, it's big enough. You know, definitely for 2 people. I don't know if you had a family of 4 in here, it would be big enough, but it's good. Closet, loads of space in there. I didn't use it, but Hannah did. It comes with an iron as standard. You don't have to go downstairs for that. This is what the bed would look like if it was made, well, sort of made. And then that's what the bed looks like once you've used it. Only thing with these American rooms, they have no lights in them. So there's no ceiling lights, which is very strange. So sometimes you come in late and it's a bit dark, so you have to use the lamps. It's not good. Big TV. Had a microwave that we didn't use. Had a fridge which actually didn't work, but still good to have on there. Standard safe. Funny little clock thing that doesn't work either. Nice sort of comfortable seats these are. And then we've got a view of the parking lot, and I think that's the 192 there. But yeah, good. Obviously air conditioning comes as standard in all the hotels here, so sort of thing. Big fan on the ceiling that we never turned on. But yeah, good enough. You know, it's a budget hotel, it's not expensive. But like I said, we stayed at the Swan and Dolphin, and the layout of the room in the Swan and Dolphin is near enough exactly the same as this, just the fittings and fixtures are a little bit nicer. So keep that in mind if you are looking to book somewhere. Alright guys, we're back in the car, we're all packed up. It's the last one from outside the Red Lion Hotel, which is sad. We're going to head over to Epcot now. Like I said, try and get on some few rides there. And then over to the airport. We're flying from Terminal C, which we landed into Terminal C, first time landing into Terminal C. We're leaving from Terminal C, first time leaving from there. So yeah, let's go, one last time. Let's go. Just pulled up at Epcot and it is busy here, but it is the start of the 100 celebration, so could expect it. We are down at Crush 206, so it's probably about a 5-minute walk up to the main gate. Annoyingly, they still appear to not be doing the trams, which you'd have thought if they knew it was going to be busy they would have, but whatever. So let's go. Yeah, they did have trams the other day, but not today for some apparent reason. And it's a lot busier today, as in we got about the same time as 11 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, we got here maybe 20 minutes earlier, but yeah, it was nowhere near this busy, but whatever. Let's go and have a good time. One last day in Disney. What a view walking into Epcot. But look how busy it is. Loads of new booths open today, so we're going to have to check some of them out. Need to get a map, because we didn't actually get a map last time we was here. Oh yeah. 1 second. Just queuing up for some photo pass. Got a lightning lane for soaring over California at 12:50, so going to be doing that. Going to try and get on test track as well today, and if possible the 1 o'clock Guardians of the Galaxy, but we'll see how it goes, because it is busy today. But yeah, exciting times. Exciting times. Just come out of the Land Pavilion, been on touring around California. It was really good. Lots of strong smells in there. What did you think?
No, I prefer the normal one they have here, but it was nice to see a different one.
Yeah, it was good. Like,
It smelled nice.
it did smell nice. Loads of like different grasses. There was some strong grass smells.
Yeah, just one.
Yeah,
The rest were different.
Yeah, well, it was nice. Oh. But yeah, it was good. Like the water features in here. Loads of construction going on. Hopefully they finish that all up soon. Be good to see what they're going to build in here. Gonna go in the creation shop. My sister wants a funny little pen with a character on top of it, so we're going to try and look for them. We've got to wait sort of 20 minutes until we can get on test track. So yeah, what a better place than in there. So this lovely.
Yeah, we'll go
Just coming out of Creations. Picked up a few little bits and bobs in there, a couple of last minute gifts. But we'll do maybe a little haul when we get back. Not that it will last very long, but we might do one of them. Now we're heading over to Test Track. On our last visit here when we was doing the rides, it got rained off. So it looks pretty clear in the sky, so let's get on there now. We're Designer Beast. Ready for Test Track. Just off a Test Track. Just as good as I remember. Classic. Yeah, it was good fun. I think our car was like 207 points, it ain't too bad. Best bit's obviously the outside with the power bit where you get the photo pass and stuff. Walking over to Mission Space, I'm probably going to jump on that. Hannah doesn't really like the, you know, the bit where it makes you feel like you got no gravity. So we're just going to jump on that quick and then over to Ratatouille. So that is the next plan. Just come off of Mission Space Orange. Well, right, it was pretty intense. If you don't like strong simulator rides, that's probably not for you. That's why Hannah sits that one out. It's quite like really fast spinning and stuff. But yeah, so we're now going to walk over to Paris, go on to Remy's, and then yeah, hopefully Guardians will be getting called soon, as we need to make our way to the airport in the next couple of hours. So just trying to get in as much as we can. Might get a sneaky little last beer at the Rose and Crown, take a picture of Binny, say goodbye for another year, or however long it's going to be till we're back at Epcot. So yeah, let's carry on going. Like these, isn't it? These cool little birdhouses. Let's see them doing a bit for the environment. Well, we've come a few times in the Flower and Garden Festival, and they really do the flower beds and stuff up for that, which is a good time of year to come. It's warm then as well. It's just warm all year round here, really. Just got the new Disney 100 photo pass spot down there, down near the 100 years and the new Mickey statue. Looks pretty cool with the classic All-Star with the mouse. And we're walking over to Paris. Yeah, it's good. I think there's some new food bits open, but we're not really sure what they are, so we're just gonna have a little mosey. Like we said, only got a few hours left anyway, so as it's so busy we probably won't have time to really give them any of them a real go, but if there's any short lines we'll have a go. I was on the way to Paris, got sidelined into the Rose and Crown for one last beer, and then we got called for Guardians. So now we're turning around, full cycle, and going back to literally where we just came from. So gonna get on that. The time now is 4 PM. Hopefully get on that before sort of 4:45. One last look into the store, and then we'll probably be making our way over to the airport for about 6 o'clock-ish. Need to get some fuel for the car, need to do all that. So yeah, hopefully get to the airport by about 6, half 6 at the latest. And then we'll be just waiting to head home, which is, yeah, lovely. Sad time. Goodbye, Benny, old pal. Obviously, we stopped there a couple of times in the past videos, but the island booth is doing some good stuff.
Good gravy.
You over here, let's go over here. One last look over the showcase. So that's a good one. We like Japan. Italy's good. China over there. Norway, Mexico. Favourite pavilion's probably Japan. Just like the cool stuff in there. What?
You heard.
Alright. It's proof that everyone can get grumpy at Disney World.
When they come to you.
Now we're on our way out. Back towards Guardians.
Was right there and she was like,
Here's the new Mickey Mouse statue. It looks cool. It'd be just so good when they finish doing all this work here, because these walls have been up for at least 18 months. It is ridiculous. Should we go in and then cut through the store? Let's go in and cut through the store. Get a bit of AC. My tops of my ears are burning. We've made it back. Guardians of the Galaxy. This is going to be our last Disney World ride for this trip, which, to be honest, this is a good one to finish on. Probably, well, we've only been on it once, but at the moment it is probably the best one here, I think. But we'll check it one last time and give you a final lowdown. But yeah, definitely worth it. Just got off the final ride of the trip. Cosmic Rewind. It is definitely the best ride of the whole of Disney World. Goes without saying. And we got September again. So everyone who sort of says it's hard to get September, 2 rides, two for 2. So yeah, it's either a beginner's luck or yeah, I don't know what it is. But yeah, so we're just going to head back, go to the Creation store.
It's raining.
It's actually a bit of raining, which don't make you feel so sad about going home when it's raining.
Quite nice though.
So we're going to go in the Creation store, have one last look. Yeah, maybe grab a little snack and then head back to the car, and then it's off to the airport, unfortunately.
Yeah.
But all in all, good trip.
I suppose.
Yeah, great trip. I mean,
Been alright.
yeah, it's been alright. Yeah.
Always the best.
Yeah, sweet. So we'll catch up with you in the airport, I guess. See you in a bit. What's up, guys? We've made it through security, Terminal C, MCO. Flight is delayed till 10:07. Time now is 7:20. So a couple of hours just to burn through, but that should be all right. There's some stores around here we can look at. We've got ourselves a Chick-fil-A because you know we like that. So yeah, just gonna eat this and then we're just gonna pop in the stores. Yeah, and make our way home. It's been a pretty hectic day, done quite a lot today, and a pretty hectic 10 days. So yeah, nice one. Just been called up to board onto the flight, but I like this big screen thing they've got in here. So it's got amenities. But yeah, so we're about to go to gate 244 and start boarding. And then yeah, we'll be back in England before we know it. Alright guys, it's the following day from the last video. Got home about 2 PM, landed late into Gatwick about 11 well, left Orlando. By the time we actually took off, it was about 11 p.m. Landed into Gatwick about 11 a.m. So it was a blooming long old drag. Then driving around the M25. Anyone who's ever drove around that knows it's a nightmare. So that took 2 hours for us to get home to do about 40 miles. Just chilled at home for a bit. It's always sad when a holiday comes to an end, but like we said a few times in the videos, we are out there again in December. Our friends are getting married, so we're going to that, but we're going to do a few park days, a couple of days over at Universal. We're going to the Orlando Informer event, and we're planning on catching a Vicky's? Who's Vicky? 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 Mickey. Mickey's not so scary. No, Mickey's very merry Christmas party. So they are the plans. And we probably will do one of these little haul videos in a couple of days just to finish this series off. So yeah, we will see you in that one. And if not, see you on the next trip. Bye. Bye.